These right here, check them out. Sign the autographs for the show.
They want me that time.
Queen Pig with it.
Whoever that's my touch me again. Sorry, I'm not playing, boy.
Look out.
My uncle, whoever it is, I'm not playing. What's that? Well, shut up. Or you walk home. Let me get your arm again.
What are you doing this stuff? Come on.
Walk home. Who said I was playing?
What he's saying, he's getting it in. Bees. Look out. You know who Bees is?
Official. Art. Me.
Man, I see it happening. It got him lying.
It's the truth, man. It's the truth, man. You know what? I am from Chicago. I'm all the way back in the '89. I drove up here just for this day. I fuck with my niggas, man. See that? That's who winning. In reality, pay attention. The views is crazy on YouTube. Every video got over 40,000, 50,000 on.
All day.
Sleeping on y'all city, man.
All day. You can't sleep on it. It's on my page every day. Don't sleep on your city. I think I know her too. Yeah, you.
Where you know me from?
I don't know. You know, I don't forget her face too much.
You got that job?
Yeah. That's how I know you did.
That's the truth, though. Tell them. That's the truth, bro. That is the truth. When you got that job, no equals to Chucky.
Uh-oh.
C-H-C-K-Y. No, yeah.
That's easy. He getting it together. He's getting it together.
He actually putting on for the city of Chicago.
Putting all the way on force. You see us? That's where I go. Damn. I hope I'm going to have to compress this. This is pretty long. Still getting it in. Family shirts. Shit, niggas a poet this, man. He took it back. I seen this is SOB. What it is, B?
Homie B.
Yeah.
For the short, got the concert tonight is going down.
What's going down? Today. You heard it. Uh-huh.
Feel me?
I'm here.
Zone, DJ Young, talk about Go Boy Entertainment. It's official, you know what I'm saying? Right now we did Blues in River Oak Shopping Center. Whenever you out here in Chicago, come to Belvedere Blues, get your gig game right, you know what I'm saying? Come out to a nice concert, a nice party, and meet some nice girlies, you feel me?
It is.